Hello guys, Eday Vlogs ni. What's up guys? Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share. Thank you. Supported it by you guys.
So, our lection for today, guys, for today's video, guys, about of number 2 word. So, I teach Inday how to, she know already 1 up to 10 numbers. She know already after 100, she know already, but I challenge Inday, I teach Inday how to write the number in the numbers. She know already that. How to write, I challenge Inday now how to write in the words. So, number 2 words, I challenge Inday 1 up to 10. Okay, let's go. So, now, our lesson for today is number no more ink. So it's no more ink. So let's put ink.
5, 1, 6.
Ay, tulo. Ay, tulo. Ay, tulo.
Patay.
Ay, tulo.
Ano naman?
Tulo.
Patay. Di na dito makakuha na niyon.
Sige. This is numbers. Number. No? Wait, paanta ron. Numbers. 2 words. Numbers 2 words. I challenge in that. Numbers already she know. Okay, number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. So, number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. So, why I teach Inday about of numbers, you know how to count 1 up to 100. And she know how to write in numbers 1 up to 100, but she don't know how to write in words. So, I teach Inday, she know only the numbers. You know what I want? I want to, she know how to write and how to count by number and by words. So, let's go. Okay, Inday. So, unsa gani ni? Count, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Nagtutpan sa akin. O sa nagtutpanan. Nagtutpanan. Siya.
Only very tired.
Okay. You know already. You know how to write 1 up to 100 by letters, by number, right? So I challenge now Inday how to write the number in letters, no, in words, letters. And then because she know already how to write the numbers. So now let's go. So number 1, unsa ni Inday? What's
No,
this?
1.
1. Number
1.
1. Mo ni siya numbers. Kung daghan numbers na is kung only 1 number. Okay. So number 1. Mo ni siya number please. Mo ni siya
1.
1 sa words or numeracy or literacy mga ana ba number sa number mo ni siyang number Muna siya ang number. Muna siya ang letter. Oh, mga letter. Words. Basta words ta. So, unsa ni siya?
1.
1. So, take note ha. 1 kay mag-spelling taon niya. I challenge you how to spelling the 1 up to 10 how to write in words. Okay. Now, timan ang mga spelling. Oh? 2. Ano ka? 2. So, mo na spelling sa 2. Number 3. T. Nandun. T. H. Dali lang tao. 3. Double E. Tingkod. Sit down. Okay? Okay. You just listen to me and look at here. Okay? Okay, sit properly. Okay, this is the number. Look at. Okay. Look at. Okay, number
4.
4. So, look at the spelling, how to write. 4. So, this is number 5. 5. Sige, spell 1. Spell 1. Spell 1. Dali lang daw. Spell 1.
O-N-E.
Diri lang daw. Okay.
O-N-E.
2.
T-W-O.
Okay, number 3.
Number 3.
Yeah. Yeah.
T-H-R-E-E.
Very good. Number 4.
Number 4.
Yeah.
F-O-U-R.
Okay, very good. Number 5. 5. 5.
F-I-V-E.
Oh. Okay.
V-E.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now 6. Very easy. Look at. This is the 6. 7. 7, Paminaw ako. Ang tawag ko. C.
Here.
C. 7. 7. Oh, easy. 7. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. So, 9. Look at the 9. 9. So, 10, very easy, the 10. Only 3 words. 10.
3 words. 3
Okay.
words. 3 words. 3 words.
Oh. So, now, unsa gani ni siya? Unsa gani ni siya? Words.
Words.
Pasabot words kay kini siya. Ang number gisulat nato sa words, na mga words ba, by words, by letter, letter. Oh, by letter. Oh. Onya diri kay nata sa ano man? Numbers. So ba't pasabot sa numbers na ata sa ang numbers isulat nato sa by number. Mo ni siya ang number, no? Number 1. Number mo ni siya. Number in words mo ni siya. Suwat. In words, sa words ni siya. Sa words ni siya. Hangay pinaka-easy sa ilaha. Nasuwaton. Simple and easy to write the number. Words or numbers. Sadya. So, of course, ang pasabot na ko asa may pinakasayon na suwaton. Ang 1 or kanina 1 or kanina 1 asa pinakasayon. dali buhaton. Kanina 1 o kanina 1? Kana naman, very good. So, isuka ni siya nata sa numbers. O, mo ni siya. So, kung may musuwat tag number sa in words, so mo ni siya ha. Gani, by letter. Okay? So, now, spell 1. 1. Okay. Spell 1.
O
Okay.
N E.
Very good. Check. Okay. Spell 2.
T W O.
Very good. Spell 3.
T H O
3.
3 no?
3.
3.
3. Sige. Spell. Sakto mo tayo ganito ganiha. So may mga words na isunod ato. 3. Number 3.
T H O
Aday o sa 3.
ay
3.
R A A.
Very good. Good job. Spell number 4. Spell 4. Okay. 4.
F O U
4. 4.
F
Okay.
O U R.
Very good. Spell 5.
5.
Spell 5.
5.
Mm.
F
Yeah.
E
5. Like 9. Use this one. Like 9. Like.
Di ba,
like
di ba?
6.
Nakahinom na ako.
5. 5.
F
5.
F F
Oh. F.
I V E.
Very good. Okay. Spell 6.
Ah.
Okay. 6.
S
Oh. Okay.
E I
Mm. 6.
X
Very good. 7. 7. Kamaw ka na.
C
Yeah. Ven.
S
7. Ven.
ay
Sige. Sakto to.
V
Oh.
E N.
Very good. 8.
Ha?
Very good. 8. Spell 8. 8.
E
8.
E
I know, hard for her this one. Oh. Listen, okay? Take note. Take note. Okay? Spelling nga ang 8. Oh, sa mga numbers sa letter sa.
yan ang gusto.
Sige, spelling nga ha. Try your best. Kasi mo lang ka ni. Okay, try your best, Inday. Look at. Spell 8. Spell 8. Spell 8. Okay.
E I G H T
Basa.
A
8. How about 9? Spell the words 9. Spell word 9.
N E
Wrong na ka. Sige. Again.
N I N E.
Very good. 10. Very easy. 10.
T E N.
So, hinumdumi o
Akong di mahibuwan 8.
okay. Very hard for Inday the letter it. The letter it in words. she said it's very hard for here. So, how about, sige, so, I will let her to study, focus study. Kaya, study ha? So, key, spell, 8. Di man, kung unsay mga spelling, anak, para ako kang suwayo na kulo, pa. Just now, first time in that I teach here how about here number in words.
Yana. I.
Okay. Sige. Sige. Study hisa kay arong.
Is what?
Oh, iswat ang tingnan ron. Oh. First time and just now in there I teach her about the number. But 1 up to 10, she know perfect. She know already how to count and perfect. And she know how to write in numbers 1 up to 100 perfect. But this is she don't know 1 up to 10. Why I challenge her? For she know how to write in words and she know how to spell it. So I challenge her to and I teach her to write the numbers in words. It is important for her. She knows how to spelling, not just she know how to count. She know how to write the number. But you know what I want? I want she know how to write in words. Okay? Ha? In English ko guys, kay kabaw man ko ng akong mga followers more on nagagawas. In Philippines gamay lang kaayo mo nang bahala nang maghirap-hirap magkalisod-lisod ko in English sunod na ko siya bahala na ni Batman ko. So are you ready for it? Number 8 Inday? Study this one. Okay?
Ready ko.
Ready na ka? Oh, sige daw. Spell it. No. Okay. She's ready. No.
A-I-G-T-H.
Balik. Ang 8, sete, ang kuan. Okay, nabali ra to ha.
Ang kaliran akong
Oh, okay. I try Inday to write. Okay. Sige. Ay, sa dahil na. Nanabitaw kan on. Niya tama kan. Sa dahil na. Inga diha.
Inga.
Okay, now you write it. Okay. I challenge Inday ha. She know. She know already. She try her best. So let's go. Okay, Inday. Get it double pen. Yeah, you sit down over there. Okay, sit down. Okay. Okay, you write it. Okay. 1. Number 1.
Copy ko.
Number 1, ha? You write in words. Delete yung number. The number already have a number. Write in the word. Okay. Okay. 1. Number 1 in words. Okay. My eyes see. Little bit have read here because I'm not feeling well. Okay. Number 2. 2 in word. Very good. Kaya hindi kung kumaunin kaya hindi. 2. Some of the mga words na kita. Good.
Oh.
Okay. Go. Don't forget ha. Review pag if you know now if you know all this one, I review again pag tomorrow. Okay. Number 3. 3 in words. Okay. You write 3 in words. 3.
3.
I like in the challenge. I like her to challenge always. Because you know this is important for Inday because maybe on June, this coming on June next month. Yes, next month she's already grade 1. So why I teach her because I want to she know how to write, she know how to spelling, and he know how to read. Why I focus her to teach how to write the number, the number and the letters, and number in words. What's that? Then I challenge her to how to read. I teach her how to read and how to write very well her name. Very nice how to write her name. And then basta I teach her. Three man inday. Three. Oh, sabod ka diha ha. Te. Like Thursday. Oh, three. Like Thursday. But three. Ayan spelling like Thursday. Ayan birmiro.
The H?
Sige, isuot. Sige lang, okay lang. It's okay if you're wrong now, but tomorrow I review again. Need to be perfect tomorrow, okay? Okay. Like, oh, parehas sa kuan. So, ang imo pag-spelling sa kuan, parehas sa
Ang sinugdanan?
mm.
TH.
Okay, write number 3 in words.
T.
Mm.
H.
Oh, nya. 3.
3.
3. Yan, so may sunod na words
Oh?
diha. Nakadungog ba ka letter O sound sa O sa number 3? O sa may mga na.
R.
O. Okay, number. Look at mommy. 4. What words you use of number 4 in words? 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. Sige. Very good. Now, 4. 4 words muna. 4 words. 4. Sa may sunod anak niya. Kani, di ba kung magkuantag I, O, di ba di ba kabuk O nagsunod? I, O. Di ba duha ka buok sunod nag-O? Ang kinina O na duha ni sila. Di ba na ay duha ka O? I, O. Magparis na sila. Unsa man na sa no words?
U.
Oh, you very good. Don't forget that ha. Okay, review tomorrow. Need to be perfect na ka tomorrow, okay? 4. Ayun na tayo kung ikaw. Hindi na but list lang. Okay. Okay. Look at mommy. Look at my mouth. And listen. Listen how I pronounce. Look at mouth, mommy. Look at mouth, mommy, and listen how I pronounce. 5. 5. 5. Go. Sige, 5. 5. Sige din. 5. Yung mata na sila. 5. 5. Sisi. So, suso. Oh. Oh. Ang sa ani siya naguna kini siya sa suso kini kung minawa sisi man na siya nya kada suso so ang naguna kani nya kan naguna pud kani oh sige se si ven 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 seven sige seven pareha gud ani oh five oh wala iyang kini oh kani oh ang iyang kuan spelling seven 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 what words in the last one oh iya pagigipana bisag mauna seven she don't know it because first time I teach her about number to words, number in words. But it's okay. Tomorrow I teach her and she become perfect too. Okay, eight. Okay. Oh, baga. Okay. Eight. test, be. Oh, sa, tingkod sa, tingkod sa, tingkod sa. Only this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 4. 4 check and 6 wrong. But okay, more practice.